Do you know what the most frightening thing in the world is? It's fear. It's fear. It's fear. It's fear. It's fear.
You'd never do that.
Gracias. Permiso. Thank you. What's up? There's a lot of crackheads around here or something?
Huh?
There's a lot of drug heads around here or something?
Everywhere you go.
This dude tripping.
Who?
That dude.
Oh, him? No, he's not.
He act
But
like
he,
it.
yeah, he does. He's higher, bro. 219.
He got Apple Pay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. Gracias. But this nigga. Well, I'm putting that shit on video, dog. What? Bro, nobody's recording you. Jesus Christ. Fuck. Alright, go do crack or something. You crackhead, bro. Shit, minding my damn business. You come up here telling us somebody's recording you. Like, nobody's recording you. Bro, what the fuck is his problem?